Hello, this is Six Sigma by Ryan Porter. Six Sigma has evolved over the last 2 decades, and so has its definition. Six Sigma has literal, conceptual, and practical definitions. The term Six Sigma was founded and started by Motorola engineer Walter Shruhart in the 1920s. Prior to that time, it was known as Three Sigma, the point from a mean where a process requires correction. Carl Gauss first introduced the concept of a normal curve, and this is where the process begins. In the early to mid-1980s, Motorola engineers decided that traditional quality levels, being measured in defects per thousand of opportunities, didn't provide enough granularity. Since its inception, Motorola has saved over $16 billion by adopting the Six Sigma, and as a result, hundreds of companies have adopted the Six Sigma way of doing business. The term Sigma is often used as a scale for levels of goodness or quality. Six Sigma equates to 3.4 defects per 1 million opportunities. Therefore, Six Sigma started as a defects reduction effort in manufacturing and was then applied to other businesses' process for the same purpose. Six Sigma has evolved over time, and there's less emphasis on counting the defects and focusing on other aspects. Customer requirements has come into play, and how to better understand and manage your clientele, aligning key process within your business to help achieve those standards. Methodology also focuses on analyzing rigorous data to minimize variations with your production environment. Six Sigma will also help establish your business and provide sustainability. Next, we'll take a look at our DMAIC model. It stands for Define Opportunity, Measure Performance, Analyze Opportunity, Improve Performance, and finally control performance. Next, we'll take a look at our management system. The Six Sigma management system drives clarity around the business strategy and the metrics that most reflect success. It provides the frameworks to prioritize resources for all projects that will improve metrics and leverages leaders who will manage the efforts for rapid, sustainable, and improved business results. Next, we'll take a look at all of our certification levels. Starting with the yellow belt, the most basic. Yellow belts cannot work on black belt projects, and they have a strong understanding of the Six Sigma way. Green belts are often referred to as the worker bees because they do the majority of the work. They are the ones who gather all the necessary information to the majority of experiments and tests throughout the projects. The main goals of the green belt are to ensure success of training techniques and lead smaller projects. Moving on to black belts. These are the people who are in charge of the Six Sigma projects within their respective companies. They work full-time most of the time, and once the project is completed, they're expected to save roughly $100,000. Along with heading the project, they are also expected to coach, develop, and advise other managers to keep the company on track. Next, we have our Master Black Belt. This is the highest belt achievement. There's not one in every company. That is because the person is expected to stay full-time all the time, even once the project has been completed. Along with heading the project, they are also expected to coach, develop, and advise other managers so the entire company can achieve this goal. Lean Six Sigma often goes hand in hand with Six Sigma. You'll hear one and the same. And it's a lean manufacturing principles called production. How to use Six Sigma is basic problem solving. When problems are common or poorly defined, unknown problems and situations, and tough situations. Healthcare and Six Sigma go hand in hand well. They lead to an increase in patient satisfaction, cost recovery, and reduce service length or the time it takes to treat patients. Six Sigma will also increase patient safety, and the use of advanced technology within Six Sigma will lead to quicker diagnosis and a faster, stronger business. Market growth is another bonus. Hospitals are in the business of staying in business. Six Sigma will help with resource utilization, decrease the length that patients stay in the hospital, and help recognize failing departments. Six Sigma can also be utilized within government. They help eliminate wasteful spending, discover underutilized or overpaid departments, and budget balancing. Taking a look at some common uses of Six Sigma, we'll see to help improve print quality with printers. It's also used in television production and manufacturing standards and cell phone production. And taking a look at some companies that use Six Sigma, we have Ford Automobiles, 3M, and Agilent Technologies, just to name a few of the big ones. And finally, my references. Thank you.